My name is Alara Karaman. I am from Turkey and currently I am a PhD student in Leuven in Belgium with the lab of LMSD. I am the doctoral candidate for in the MetaVision project. In recent years, vibroacoustic metamaterials have emerged as an effective solution for attenuating vibration and sound. These materials typically consist of resonators attached to a host structure at a sub-wavelength scale, creating stop bands that limit free wave propagation, which makes them ideal for noise and vibration attenuation purposes. Common methods for manufacturing vibroacoustic metamaterials include additive manufacturing or laser cutting of separate resonator additions, both of which are not suitable for mass production. My PhD focuses on design and manufacturing of vibroacoustic metamaterials using injection molding and thermoforming to enable high volume manufacturing of these type of materials. For both of these manufacturing technologies, mold design will be crucial and numerical simulations will play a role in supporting the design process, aiding predictive factors such as filling ratios and warpage. Furthermore, I will investigate the geometric accuracy of the manufactured resonators and the variations on the tuned resonance frequencies. In addition, metamaterials often exhibit narrowband noise and vibration attenuation, while the performance outside of these frequency bands might be reduced. Therefore, I intend to explore the incorporation of porous bond phases into the manufactured metamaterials, which can allow preserving or even enhancing the broadband performance of these materials. The MetaVision project aims to bring metamaterial solutions closer to reality by investigating the design, analysis, and manufacturing of these materials, along with their applicability to industrially relevant cases. And by utilizing injection molding and thermoforming, we can achieve mass production of vibroacoustic metamaterials, making advanced noise and vibration control solutions accessible to various industries like transportation. These advancements can result in quieter and more comfortable living and working environments, ultimately enhancing the quality of life and productivity. To support this effort, I will undertake secondments at Siemens and Airbus. I also gratefully acknowledge the European Commission for the support of the Marie Sklodowska Curie program through the Horizon Europe MetaVision project.